G-Day, mates. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore fascinating facts about countries around the world. Today, we're diving into the land down under, Australia. So grab your Vegemite sandwiches and let's get started with 10 incredible facts about this incredible country. Fact number 1. Australia is home to the Great Barrier Reef, one of the most remarkable natural wonders on Earth. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers, 1,400 miles, this vibrant ecosystem is the largest coral reef system in the world. Fact number 2. Australia is famous for its unique wildlife. You have probably heard about kangaroos and koalas, but did you know that Australia is the only country in the world where you can find marsupials naturally? It's home to some of the most peculiar and fascinating animals, like the platypus and the echidna. Fact number 3. Australia's outback is a vast and remote region that covers most of the country's interior. It's a land of red deserts, stunning rock formations like Uluru, and unique landscapes that are unlike anything you have ever seen before. Fact number 4. Australia has a rich and diverse indigenous culture that dates back tens of thousands of years. The Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples have a deep connection to the land and have contributed significantly to Australia's history, art, music, and traditions. Fact number 5. The Sydney Opera House, located in Sydney, is one of the most iconic and recognizable buildings in the world. Its unique design, resembling billowing sails or shells, attracts millions of visitors each year and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Fact number 6. Australia boasts some of the world's most stunning beaches. From the golden shores of Bondi Beach in Sydney to the pristine Whitehaven Beach in the Whitsundays, there is no shortage of breathtaking coastal landscapes to explore. Fact number 7. Australians are crazy about sports. Whether it's cricket, rugby, Australian rules football, or surfing, sports play a significant role in Australian culture. The country has produced many world-class athletes and has a deep-rooted passion for competition. Fact number 8. Australia is incredibly diverse when it comes to landscapes. From tropical rainforests in Queensland to the rugged mountains of the Great Dividing Range, from the stunning coastal cliffs of the Great Ocean Road to the picturesque wine regions like the Barossa Valley, Australia offers something for every nature lover. Fact number 9. Australia is famous for its big things, giant statues or structures that represent various objects. From the Big Banana in Coffs Harbour to the Big Pineapple in Queensland, these quirky landmarks have become popular tourist attractions and a unique part of Australian culture. Last but not least, fact number 10. Australia is a vibrant multicultural nation. With its rich immigrant history, Australia is home to people from all over the world, resulting in a diverse society that celebrates different cultures, cuisines, and traditions. And there you have it, mates. 10 amazing facts about Australia. It truly is a remarkable country with its breathtaking natural wonders, unique wildlife, rich cultural heritage, and friendly people. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us next time as we uncover more fascinating facts about the world we live in. Until then, take care and see you soon.